Okay. Hey here, Louisa.
Oh, is the zebra going to help you?
Okay. 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 Watch it. Watch it, Louisa. Oh, they're working.
Yeah, zebra's kind of big for your puzzle.
Okay. Oh, what happened? We go do it again? Okay. It go. Oh. See my neck. See my neck. Okay.
Is the zebra going to sit on your lap while you do the puzzle?
There, see? Has it? Okay.
Okay.
Has it my neck? What's it goes here? Okay. Go to my uncle. I got you. Okay. There go with them. They're right here.
Okay, zebra can sit on the chair and watch. Okay? And then you can work on your puzzle?
I want your puzzle, Lisa. Okay, it goes here, Lisa.
That's a good spot. Did zebra help you with that piece?
Also, it goes here.
Is that part of the moose?
No.
Where's that go?
That goes here. That goes here.
Oh, it's part of the letters. It's the letters on the bottom of the puzzle.
Okay. Okay, follow Lisa. Okay. That Lisa. Okay, follow Lisa. Okay, follow Lisa.